I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on trigonometry, where we are relating angles with the slope of the line. Find the measure of angle AOB and the X-intercept for a perpendicular line shown in the figure below. So we need to find the angle AOB, which is this angle, and the point B, which is the X-intercept for the second line. We are given that the point of intersection is 5 by 6 and line 1 is going through the origin. Correct? So that should help us to give lot of valuable information. So first, let's begin with finding the angle AOB. Now this is the angle which line 1 makes with the x-axis, right? So let's find equation of line 1. Now line 1 could be seen as a line which passes through a point A, which is 5, 6, and also origin, which is 0, 0. Correct? And therefore, it's a direct proportion. Slope of this line M will be ratio of 6 and 5. Correct? And we could write this as y equals to 6 over 5x. So that becomes the equation of our line 1. Is that clear to you? Now since slope is 6 over 5, we can relate this with the angle and we get tan of our angle, let's call this angle as theta, is equal to 6 over 5. So what is theta equals to? So theta is equals to tan inverse of 6 over 5. Correct? So let's find the angle first. Shift tan inverse 6 divided by 5 gives you an angle of 50.19. So this is 50.19 degrees, which is approximated as 50 degrees for us. So we'll call this as 50 degrees. So that becomes the angle which line 1 makes with the horizontal x-axis. Correct? Now the second part is to find the x-intercept for line 2. So let's see the line 2. We are given that line 1 is perpendicular to line 2. It clearly indicates that their slope should be negative reciprocal, right? So that means that slope of line 2, let's call this as M2, will be equals to minus 5 over 6. Since slope of the first line is 6 over 5. Correct? Now we can relate slope with y2 minus y1 equation. So now we know M2 is minus 5 over 6. And we also know that this can be found by using the formula, which is, let's write down here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So for the second line, 6 minus 0 is the difference in y values, and 5 minus b is the difference in their x values. Correct? So that formula helps. So we get 6 over 5 minus b. Now you can cross multiply and then get your solution. So if you cross multiply, you get minus 5 times 5 minus b equals to 6 times 6, which is 36, right? So now we can open the bracket and solve. So 5 times this is minus 25, and this gives you plus b, 5b, equals to 36. And from here, we get the value of 5b equals to 36 plus 25, which is 6 and 5, 11, 61. Or that gives you value of b as 61 over 5. It does make sense to you, right? So that is how you could actually find the value of b. So 61 divided by 5. So what we get here is that, let's divide this. So b is equals to 1, and then 11 means 2, 12.5. Not 5, 12.2, right? So b is 12.2. So we get our answer that point B is 12.2, comma 0. So the x-intercept is at x value of 12.2. So I hope these steps are simple and straightforward. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that would be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.